Do you like to eat catfish?
I like it. It's like tastes like.
Do you like tilapia?
I tasted tilapia before. It's so yummy.
And what else do you like? Do you like milkfish?
I like milkfish.
The national Filipino fish?
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new to this, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching. For those who are already our subscribers, thank you so much guys, we love you. If you do not know, our kids love insects, animals, they love the farm, and they're asking their dad if they could have fish pond in the farm. Since it is COVID, we cannot go anywhere. We can't do any vacation or any trip. So here, we will show you how we started our fish pond making. Thank you guys.
Camera.
Live.
Look at the camera.
Start now. Look at the fish pond. Look at the fish pond. Look at the fish pond.
Do you like to eat catfish?
I like it. It's like tastes like.
Do you like tilapia?
I tasted tilapia before. It's so yummy.
And what else do you like? Do you like milkfish?
I like milkfish.
The national Filipino fish? And what does Warren have? Warren's got a horn beetle?
Yep.
That came from what? It came from the dirt, digging from the fish pond?
No, it came. You see those coconut trees?
Yeah.
It's called giant coconut beetle.
This is a giant coconut beetle?
You workers dig up the holes. So that's why you see a lot of holes in my coconut tree. Those are the work of those. Their own homes. There's no home. That's the growth.
Show what they're doing, Shami. So, we're building a fish pond next to the Kubo,
and then
dirty kitchen.
This is the beetle that they crawl into the sea. They crawl into the seas. This is the beetle that crawl into the sea. So weird. So weird. This is my beetle.
No, it's okay. I don't want to.
I thought that was a firefly dying. That was a bird, yo. That was a bird. Yes, I have 3.
They're still setting up shade.
They're setting up shade.
That's mine.
This is day 1 of the fish pond build. We're building the fish pond for the kids, so they could they like to enjoy the fish pond. Play with fish for what, Daryl? Tilapia? Tilapia, maybe some milkfish. You grow carp. How about freshwater shrimp? You want freshwater shrimp?
Yeah, freshwater shrimp. Fresh. So I could eat shrimp.
You like shrimp?
A little.
Okay.
Morning guys. Look what we have here. How big is this, Betty?
I'm not sure. I think it'll go down 10 meters by 10. What is that? How many meters is this across? 6. 6?
6.
And then they're going, I think, how far, Billy?
10.
10. So 60 square meters. Fish pond. So they already got the 6. They just got to get to the 10.
They did a good job digging.
It don't take long to build a fish pond. Not like in the Bukid where they're digging in hills. And then Billy over here, Joseph over here is going to build a little thing for little baby chicks, so we could raise little baby chicks. Broider, yeah.
And then once they're big, we move them there.
Over there, yeah. I did that because there's no electricity over there, so you need a heat lamp.
Oh.
To
Are we gonna use your lamp? No.
Those lights?
Lights? No.
For the chickens?
Yeah.
No. That's for the
seedlings.
Seedlings. This has the seedlings.
So our fish pond is 1 meter deep.
1 meter deep. That's about this depth. The sides should be angled when they bank it. They should start to angle it.
Yeah. For erosion control. So it's eroding.
Yeah.
Ang kahoy pa natin para sa
Oh yeah. The materials that they need for that. They need it now.
Well, do you have any cash or no?
I still have.
Okay. Give me a look.
Send somebody.
Yeah. And make sure they pick out good cocoa lumber.
So we started digging this one on Tuesday. So it is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, third day of this fish pond. So they're already there. That's pretty much the size where you can see there that the hole there is gonna be the end point of the fish pond, and then they just need to fix this area here, and I think this one too needs to be straightened out. And after that they just have to form the sides and install pipes for drainage and overflow. And then we're gonna buy nets. So we're almost there. Our guys is on lunch break. They will be back at 1.
Gab, gab.
So this is it, guys. I will make a separate video if we will have the fish already. Yay, kids will be happy.